This is an overview of a central vacuum system. The unit shown here is ready for shipment. Some components will ship loose, as shown. This model is a 15 horsepower central vacuum that is outdoor rated. Used in flour mills, but can be used anywhere there is dust. We will talk about the basics of operation and its components. The bag filters are a critical part of the system's performance. Periodically shake and move the filters to remove dust. Installing new filters is quick and easy. A dust bucket liner bag is used to collect debris. Place the steel hold-down plate in the bucket prior to installing the bag. One thing to note is that installing the liner bag is much easier after the whole vacuum system is installed, not when packaged for shipment as shown here. To install the level sensor, you must first remove the liner bag. Retrieve the sensor and insert through the port. Use the clamp to secure the unit. Removing the sensor is the opposite of installation. Take care in handling it and storing it properly. To maintain the inline safety filter, first remove the top plate from the canister. Continue removing the hardware as shown. Inspect and replace the filter as needed. Take care when reinstalling the hardware. First is a rubber washer, followed by a flat washer, a lock washer, and the nut. Let's now talk about other system components. The dust inlet. Bag liner equalizing hose. Vacuum relief valve. The exhaust rain cap. Regenative blower. Pressure gauge for the bag filter. And the differential pressure gauge for the inline safety filter. Also note that there are casters on the dustbin. To learn more about this system and our other fine products, please contact vacuumsolutions.us.